It has for 2 bedroom and 1 kitchen in my house. Um, for example, I think my house is very comfortable because when I stay at home, I feel relaxed and I can do anything I want and I can do
Mhm.
anything I want. Um, Beside that,
Now, for
uh,
example,
uh,
right? You mixed it up. So it's not, for example, I feel comfortable. It's just I feel comfortable, right? I can do anything I want there. Besides that, something, something, something. For example, yesterday, blah blah blah. So besides that, keep going and then go to past tense.
yeah. Uh, Besides that, yesterday when I came back home from school, I felt very tired. But
Mm-hmm.
when I stay at home, can I I feel better. I feel
No,
better and
no, 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 no. Okay, okay. You got out of the past tense. You're saying when I stay, I feel, but we don't want that. So yesterday, when I got home from school, I felt very tired. Good. Tell me more. I
uh,
didn't eat any lunch, or I went to sleep, or I didn't want to go right. So just stay in the past. Boom.
uh, when I stay at home, at that time I just wanted to live. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So I what? Give me one more sentence. What did you
Uh,
do?
and so
You can say my mom didn't bother me, or I don't know, my brother was being loud. He was watching TV loudly, or I didn't
and
eat lunch.
uh,
Whatever. Some one more thing.
and so I wanted to play game with my friends.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Yeah. So your house is comfortable. You wanted to play some games. Good. Right. So that's it. I'm gonna go to you, Kim Hui. You have everything you need. I want to challenge everyone now. So add an idiom, add an idiom into your answer. The idiom I recommend is not my cup of tea. When do you use it? You use it when you give your opinion. All right. So um, uh, people have extended families. Is this good for children or bad? This is not good. Uh, I think extended families are bad. Having a lot of people is not my cup of tea. That's the idiom you should use. Not my cup of tea. So having a lot of people in my house is not my cup of tea. Or you could say, I think extended families are good for children. They're very helpful because when I was a young child, being alone or going to daycare or kindergarten was not my cup of tea. Yeah, like my mom is Lynn Hart. That's my mother. Being in a big house was not my cup of tea, right? That's the idiom I recommend that you use. But you can use any idiom you want. Just try to use one, okay? So, Kim Hui, that's your challenge. Besides simple answer, give your opinion, give an example in the past tense, talk about what you will do in the future, and then give advice for society, what everyone should do. Add an idiom. All right, Kim Hui, you ready?
Okay, actually, I'm not ready yet, but
Look,
I will
normally we
start right
have
now. Right.
a pencil and paper. So if you need to make some notes, that's okay. You should make some notes. Get a pencil. Um, get your pencil and paper.
Okay.
or if you're on a phone or something, make some notes to help you remember. There are 5 steps that you need to do right now. Okay, 5 steps. Step 1 is called simple answer. You simply give like a yes or no answer. Simple. Step 2, you give your opinion about the subject. Okay, so I think it's good or I think it's bad. Okay. Step 3, you tell an example in the past tense. You say, for example, blah, blah, blah in the past. All right. Step 4, you talk about what you will do in the future. So to be more clear, it's right in the past, something happened.